Okay, let's talk about ad creatives because this is where so many people get stuck. You've got a product, you've got an offer, but the image, the actual visual that stops the scroll, that's the hard part. Normally, you'd have to hire a designer, wait days for a draft, pay a small fortune, and then go back and forth on revisions. So today, I'm going to show you how to create scroll-stopping ad creatives with AI, no designer, no Photoshop, nothing, using Runable, which is genuinely one of the best AI image generators around right now. Let me show you exactly how. There's a link in the description if you want to create your account and follow along. So let's get into it. Head to runable.com, sign in, and on the home dashboard, open the artifact picker and select Create Image. Now, the whole game here is your prompt. So let me show you how to describe an ad creative that actually works. Don't just say make an ad. Describe the product, the scene, the mood, and leave room for your text. So you'd say something like, create a vibrant ad creative for a new energy drink. A cold can with water droplets sitting on a bright splash of citrus and ice, high energy, bold colors, studio lighting, with clean space at the top for a headline. See how that gives it a real commercial look, plus a spot for your message? And here's where Runable really pulls ahead of a basic image generator, because ads live and die on the text. First, it can actually edit text inside images. So you can add your headline, your offer, your call to action, and have it look clean and intentional, not slapped on. Second, there's region-based editing, which means you can point at one specific part of the image, just this corner, just this object, and change only that without regenerating the whole thing. That's huge for ads, because you can swap a color, fix a detail, or tweak the text without losing the version you loved. And third, you can remove backgrounds and upscale the resolution so you can drop your product onto any background and export something crisp and high-res enough for any platform. So the workflow is really nice. You generate your base creative, then you refine it just by talking. You can say, make the colors punchier, or change the headline to 50% off today, or remove the background behind the can, or upscale it for print. Little targeted changes, done in seconds, exactly like working with a designer, except it's instant and it never gets tired of your revisions. And because you're not locked into one look, you can spin up a whole batch of variations to test different backgrounds, different headlines, different color moods, all from the same idea, so you can run them as ads and see which one actually converts. When you're happy, you just download your creative as a high-quality PNG, ready to upload straight to Facebook, Instagram, Google, wherever you're running. So that's the move. You pick Create Image, you describe your creative with room for text, you add and edit your headline right inside the image, you fine-tune with region editing, and you export a professional ad creative, no designer required. And that's it. That's how you create ad creatives with AI using Runable. If this just saved you a designer's invoice, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials just like this one, and I'll see you in the next video.